So to make one of these little Flipgrid videos, I click on the link. It's going to bring you to the site. Log in with Google and pick your account. Then it just says to welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below. Open the Flipgrid camera. Record a short video. Tell me your name, what you're looking forward to, what you're unsure about with this e-learning stuff. So the big green plus is here. I'm going to say allow. And then record my video. Come on, allow. I think mine's locked because I have my screen recording on. You would go use camera, allow it, and then record the video telling me about your name, what you're looking forward to, and what you're unsure of for the whole process. I made one already. Check mine out for examples. Hey, good luck.